Welcome to TravelPartner, your ticket to affordable adventures. Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will change the way you see the world? I'm Samantha Brown, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to TravelPartner, your ultimate resource for unlocking incredible travel experiences without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore, we've got something for everyone. We believe that everyone deserves to explore our beautiful world, and we're here to empower you with the tools and knowledge to make your travel dreams a reality. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cityscapes, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Before we dive into the exciting world of finding cheap flights, I encourage you to subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive travel hacks, insider tips, and irresistible deals delivered straight to your inbox. Our team of travel experts works tirelessly to bring you the best advice and the latest offers. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Imagine receiving a notification about a flash sale on flights to your dream destination, or learning about hidden gems that only locals know about. Our newsletter is your gateway to a world of affordable adventures. Now let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of finding those coveted cheap flights. From understanding the best times to book to using the right tools and resources, we'll guide you every step of the way. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime with TravelPartner. The early bird catches the worm, and the cheap flight. One of the golden rules of budget travel is booking your flights in advance. This simple strategy can save you a significant amount of money, allowing you to allocate your budget to other exciting aspects of your trip. Airlines often release their cheapest seats first, and as those seats get snatched up, prices tend to rise. This means that the earlier you book, the better your chances of securing a great deal. Aim to book your flights at least 6 to 8 weeks before your departure date for domestic travel, and even earlier for international trips. For international flights, consider booking 3 to 6 months in advance to get the best rates. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for timely reminders and exclusive deals. Our newsletter is packed with insider tips, destination guides, and alerts on the latest travel deals. We'll help you stay ahead of the game and secure the best prices. Imagine the thrill of finding a flight deal that fits perfectly within your budget, leaving you with extra cash to spend on experiences and souvenirs. By planning ahead and being proactive, you'll be well on your way to scoring those incredible flight deals. So start planning your next adventure today and take advantage of the savings that come with early booking. Happy travels! Embrace the power of comparison websites. Gone are the days of tirelessly calling airlines or visiting multiple travel agencies to compare flight prices. Thanks to the magic of the internet, we now have access to a plethora of flight comparison websites that do the heavy lifting for us. These websites, such as Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak, allow you to input your travel dates and destinations and instantly compare prices from various airlines. They're incredibly user-friendly and can save you time, effort, and most importantly, money. Remember, knowledge is power, and having all the information at your fingertips empowers you to make informed decisions about your travel plans. Flexibility is key. Unlock savings with adaptable travel dates. If your travel dates are flexible, you've got a secret weapon in your arsenal for finding cheap flights. Airlines often offer lower prices for flights during off-peak seasons or on weekdays when demand is lower. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, which are the months just before and after the peak season. For example, instead of visiting Europe in the crowded summer months, explore its hidden gems in the spring or fall when prices are more budget-friendly. By being open to adjusting your travel dates, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and potential savings. Surfing incognito, outsmarting the system. Have you ever noticed that flight prices seem to increase when you repeatedly search for the same itinerary? That's because some airlines and travel websites use cookies to track your browsing history and adjust prices accordingly. To outsmart this sneaky tactic, try browsing for flights in incognito mode or clearing your browser's cookies before each search. This way, you'll appear as a new visitor and may be able to snag those elusive lower fares. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in your quest for affordable airfare. The magic of frequent flyer programs. Earn your wings and discounts. If you're a frequent traveler, joining airline loyalty programs can be a game changer. These programs allow you to earn miles or points for every flight you take, which can be redeemed for free flights, upgrades, and other perks. Even if you don't fly frequently, signing up for these programs can still be beneficial. You'll gain access to exclusive deals, earn points for everyday purchases through partner programs, and enjoy priority check-in and boarding privileges. Think of it as an investment in your future travels. Every mile earned brings you one step closer to your next adventure. A personal touch, Samantha's travel anecdote. I vividly remember a time when I was planning a trip to the stunning Greek islands. The anticipation was palpable as I pored over maps and travel guides, dreaming of the azure waters and whitewashed buildings that awaited me. I had my heart set on visiting Santorini, but the flight prices were astronomical. It felt like a major roadblock, and I was almost ready to give up on my dream destination. Instead of giving up, I decided to get creative and explore alternative airports. I spent hours researching, comparing prices, and looking for any possible way to make my trip more affordable. To my delight, I discovered that flying into Athens and taking a ferry to Santorini was significantly cheaper than flying directly to the island. This alternative route not only saved me a considerable amount of money, but also added an extra layer of adventure to my journey. Not only did I save money, but I also had the opportunity to experience the beauty of Athens and the Aegean Sea along the way. The vibrant culture of Athens, with its ancient ruins and bustling markets, was an unexpected bonus. This experience taught me the importance of thinking outside the box and being open to unconventional travel routes. Sometimes, the best adventures come from the most unexpected places. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. By taking the road less traveled, I discovered charming little towns, met incredible people, and created memories that I will cherish forever. So, next time you're planning a trip, don't be afraid to look for alternative routes and embrace the journey as much as the destination. Embracing this mindset has led me to some of the most enriching experiences of my life. From savoring local cuisine to engaging with locals and exploring vibrant markets, every moment became a part of my travel story. Reflecting on my journey, I realized that the true essence of travel lies not just in reaching a destination, but in the experiences and stories we gather along the way. Each trip becomes a chapter in our personal travel anecdote, filled with lessons, surprises, and unforgettable moments. So, as you plan your next adventure, remember to stay curious, be flexible, and always keep an open mind. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and sometimes the best stories come from the paths we least expect to take. More than just flights, Unveiling TravelPartner's full potential. While finding cheap flights is a crucial aspect of budget travel, it's just the tip of the iceberg. At TravelPartner, we're dedicated to providing you with a comprehensive suite of resources to plan your entire trip, from accommodation and transportation to activities and attractions. Our website features a wealth of information on destinations worldwide, including insider tips, local recommendations, and honest reviews from fellow travelers. We're your one-stop shop for all things travel. Let us be your trusted companion as you embark on your next adventure. Join the TravelPartner family. Subscribe for exclusive travel hacks. Don't miss out on the latest travel tips, tricks, and exclusive deals. Subscribe to our newsletter and join our vibrant community of travel enthusiasts. We'll keep you informed, inspired, and ready to explore the world without breaking the bank. Together, let's make travel dreams a reality. Embrace the world. Affordable travel is within your reach. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive. By following these insider tips and tricks, you can unlock incredible flight deals and embark on unforgettable adventures without straining your budget. Remember, the world is a vast and wondrous place waiting to be explored. Don't let financial constraints hold you back from experiencing its beauty and diversity. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let TravelPartner be your guide to a world of affordable adventures. About the author, Samantha Brown. Samantha Brown is a renowned travel expert and host of the Emmy Award-winning PBS series, Samantha Brown's Places to Love. With her infectious enthusiasm and genuine passion for exploration, Samantha has inspired countless viewers to embrace the world around them. Through her travels, Samantha seeks out authentic experiences, connects with local cultures, and shares her discoveries with warmth and humor.